Go live. Oh, okay. Once I click go live, it will show on the page. Still waiting. How do I refresh the web page? Oops. Refresh. One what? Okay. How do I refresh the web page? Okay. It's really not good. I think I should add, okay, vst2.x plugin. I think I should add compressor. Compressor will, sorry, tag. .x plus. Hello? Okay. Since everything is fine, so I started. Let us get started. Okay. Well, what the fuck? It really consumes lots of computing resources. The OBS. Why 8 not use the graphic card? Radio. Video encoding. Scan converter. Primitive sample. Deep clock. Inch graphic pipe. I have no idea about this kind of stuffs. The kind of metrics on my graphic card. It's a integrated graphic card. So I could not figure it out. So let's get started. So recently I am using Tencent Meeting, and I need it on Linux. No, so I should waymeet. So is a waymeet something with a Tencent Meeting? Okay, waymeet X. Waymeet. Three dots. Not sure it's the same. Three dots. Who is the messenger? It's called Sukanka. Let me Sham China. Okay. It seems it's an Android developer. Either it's Nokia. Okay. It's about okay. So it's now about here. Let's take a look about the posts. Okay, released at 2023 May. Next OS great. Yeah. It's kind of great and very precise. Block C. Yeah. He or she just release more frequently by frequent than mine. Not secured. Why? It's still not secured. HTTPS. Okay. Connection is secured. application is valid. It's a wild application? No. Okay, that's fine. It's still not replaced. So let me take a look at the way meet XCLab. It's just I still remember that there are lots of application version of the Zoom and the Tencent meeting and also on Lark. So they are mostly on the same thing. And it even could not open a link for another version of the same software. For example, you could not use Lark. You could not use Lark Suite with a facial organization. With the organization who registered on the facial. Yeah. Okay. Remove make dependency after install. I'm not sure. Just select the default option. Patch elf, what the fuck? If it was patch elf, do you want? I'm so curious about codes. So let's take a look. Yeah, let's clone it. It's actually not a GitHub repo. So it's fine. It's fine. Okay. It's a wrap. Okay, well, it's a SSL. I have no idea about what about it. Wrap.c. Okay. Patch elf. It seems it is patch elf to replace C. Okay. Patch elf set elf patch. Big patch. But I don't know what is patch elf. What is patch elf? Patch elf. Modify elf path. It used set elf patch. Change the DT RAM path of executable or library to RAM path. What is DT RAM path? Okay. I got that. It changed the library to load the dynamic. So wait. Wow. So let's just maybe maybe it is exactly the same thing about the wait. What? Is it the same thing? Oh. If it takes your I think that it's not necessary to raise another AUR package called Tencent Mail because do not invent files, right? So okay, it's exactly okay. I just noticed it. It's so I downloaded I downloaded the wrong dev file with the wrong platform. It's still let's take a try. We open the Meet app and log in with the WeChat. So Please scan the QR code. WeChat. Okay. Oh, it's wearing a QT, so it must be that. So, okay, and I will find some channel to get in. So, where is my book here? Find them here. Here is here. There, here, okay. 329 dash 09 dash. Oh, sorry. 329 and 094. Okay, great. Here. Okay. So what is the XFNAA? XF. Okay, it works. So before anyone just notice me, I just quit the thing. Okay. Oh, I know. XFNAA. It's great. Great. It's from. I'm not sure. Oh, I forgot. And this meeting. To pin it somewhere. Well. Okay, so well done. The meetings. Yeah, yeah. H. So it just got completed without any development or coding. It just there already exists a there already exists a page called we meet. It's the same context and it contains the same application with TensorFlow or TensorFlow. So I just use it. R1 is R1 close. Yeah, awesome. User. No, sorry. Cruise. Much for eating. Much for education. You are preview. The same one? Okay. So great. So we just have how long does it? How do we start? Okay. I noticed I have streaming for about 50 minutes. 50 minutes, so we just have another 50 minutes to go. Yeah. So let's run some codes or review some codes. So as we can see that there are lots of okay, update KHS. It seems here request to be merged first. This okay. Options. There are lots of test code one. The screen is 29 released. Wow. I just still using I'm just still using which It's the white. I'm still using, I think, 1.26. Oh, what's the problem? Oh, what mistake? Okay, take a look. Yes. Yeah, yeah, it's still working this much. So it will work if there at least at least 2 nodes. Yes, EF grab. That's really good check. Okay. Oh, so I think so the problem mostly happens in this version. I guess I could feel it. Definitely. Okay. I'm afraid that the, the version. Okay, so it's definitely rebooted. Why? I just know this. Okay. Okay, 1.1. It's not works. Okay. Very good. So SRE means system rebooting engineer. Yeah, that's true. If you it actually if your application is flexible and scalable, uh, rebooting is not a standard operation, but for self-using, self-hosted services or infrastructure, rebooting always a reasonable way to get your customer recovered from the damage of the degrade. Yes. Okay. Find out one. So, okay. Okay. It's back. Metrics. Oh, the metric server is broken. Ah, I think I would fix it someday, but not now. Maybe another 30 minutes streaming. You know, the out is to marked as scheduling disabled, so I'm not sure. I already forgot what happens. What happens on this node? So I'm not sure. There's still a lot of system kind services running on this node, and there are no such convey pressure or memory pressure on this node. So I just recover it from scheduling disabled. It becomes important. Yeah. Okay. It seems there are issues about the matrix things already get a y, grab white, grab matrix. It should there something matrix server works monitoring. Okay. Evicted. Evicted means there's something happened. Okay, it's evicted. It's evicted. Master should not be. analysis demonstrate, right? It's still stuck in initial. So, okay, I got that. I got that. Okay, let me introduce the situation. Several years ago, no, sorry, several days ago, I found that there are something broken about the CFFS CSI driver on this node. QL this system, and I'm not sure how to fix it. I try to reboot, and I then tried to upgrade the packages. So all the containers scheduled on this node will be pending will be pending on the creating of the PVS. So yeah, it should definitely schedule it should definitely coordinate out system and calling this node, and I will delete the coordinate. Okay, monitoring delete this part. I will force it. Well, okay. We'll force it to reschedule to another node. Okay, let's take a look. Use it. Use it. Use it. Okay, it should be also deleted because once it's evicted, there is no way to get it back unless you delete this part. Okay. Even why? Let me take a look. Each turn part, part, just so. Okay, Q-Master, there are some things I can discuss. We just say CPU file for system. Oh, CPU system file for system. Yeah. Okay. You know what? Oh. Just seems definitely weird. On the Q-Master. Oh, just a load to get recovered from disaster. That's so tired to do that. Okay, let's do find some computation versions. 1.28. Just go after. Okay, let's take a look. Okay. That is introduced by that is introduced by yeah. Basically, let's go way. So I'm not sure how to review it. CTX. Okay. Oh, fine. So change stuff. Yeah, it's okay. So mitigate what's happened. What's happened? What's the reality? Okay. 2 hours since before just fixes this issue. Okay. Test. Make test. It's dangerous to inject a book because hot. What the fuck? Distinguish to inject hot. Methods. Except types test. Okay. Okay. Research. Let's figure out what happens. Okay, test cases and they should evolution. What is further message? Okay, okay. Install. I just burned out my low language environment. So, so install. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let me take a look about error evolution. Test case error evolution. Test case. Okay. 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 It's dangerous to inject groups. So it should contain this error, but it's dangerous to. Test controls. Oh my gosh, going back towards test. Oh, Okay, but control test 96号 line 6. Set with the definition to inside. So equals okay, okay. Oh, what the fuck? Valid address of oh, it's not the same. Except oh, wait, it is one. It one counts. It one counts. This see. Plus, don't lock. Oh, this is all the pending. One seven one. Let's take a look about why. Okay. It's based on interesting. R, okay, R is a we can say and it's is it clear? No, it's not. Okay. It's fine. It's fine. Okay. Where are we? I will read down the case. Actually, okay, let's do computer. Um, to, okay, but it should not get into here. All right, and a demon. I think so. To read is new. It's not the same. Oh, it's not the same. It's hard to. It's very hard to reproduce such a big UI test. 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 Okay. Make test. So I will try to reproduce all of them. So I'm trying to reproduce the same issue and divide here 30, 15, 40 minutes. Wait, another buffs. Seeker in the model is X1. There are also fire points. Or it's stacked. What happened? Ah, it's already full fast. Okay. So I'm going to leave it here. Yeah. I can go.